everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Our mission is to give you the best home decor ideas in a cheap way. This channel started in 2023. I just graduated from my BScs degree and get CID certified interior decoration international designer certificate. After realizing the power of interior design, I wanted to share ideas of what I was learning with the world. DIY home decor is more than just a money saving home decor tips channel. My channel empowers people to seek professional help by validating the challenges of home decor that we will go through. Our team now expand beyond time, but also professional working in a field. You will see a series of videos that I learn revamp your living space with stunning DIY home decor projects. Discover a treasure trove of creative ideas and step by step tutorials to transform your house into a personalized sanctuary. From stylish wall art and chic furniture makeover to innovative storage solution and budget friendly crafts. Today's video is gonna be about small TV room ideas, 9 ways to style and arrange in TV in a tiny space. Planning a small TV room is no easy feat, but worry not. It is certainly not impossible to create a statement scheme around your TV even in a tiny space. We have curated a selection of creative solutions to create a small TV room scheme that you can be proud of, whether that be alongside statement artwork disguised within a wall storage or blending into a dark living room background. Small TV room ideas for most households. The TV is an essential tool for helping us unwind, keeping the kids entertained, and facilitating cozy movie nights. The problem is, it's not the prettiest piece of interior decor. When switched off, it's essentially a large black box. Today, we showcase your favorite small living room TV ideas and family room TV ideas that cater beautifully to TV in a tiny rooms. How do you arrange a TV in a small room? Arranging a TV in a small room is easy than you might think. There's are no set rules on where to place a TV in a small room. It all depends on your individual needs. Working out where your target pieces of furniture are going to be placed is a great way to start, as this will then narrow down your options. Another thing to consider are the light level in the room and making sure the TV isn't positioned in a space that is often overwhelmed by sunlight, making it difficult to watch. Let's talk about style number one. Create a feature out of your TV. Rather than hanging the TV on a wall, we decided to create a custom milkwork piece to add color and distinctions to the classic 7 pre-war apartment den, says Matthew Miller, principal and founder of Studio Lab. The dark blue liquid wall unit, which surrounds the TV and serves as a place to display accessories, delivers a sharp contrast to the otherwise neutral colored room and creates a more modern flow of living space. The unit floats off the floor, while the grid pattern adds an interesting visual dimensions for a clean, modern look. Style number 2, introduce a sectional in a narrow space. Small doesn't mean a space can't feel designed and functional. This small TV room is the perfect bohemian living space that can accommodate more than a few comfortably, says Kindra Nash, principal design of Nash Design Group. Natural light and comfortable, yet appropriately sized furnishing make even the smallest of a space feel large. Style number 3, hide or disguise your TV. This TV room optimize space with the creation of a bespoke cabinet that accommodates a cozy gas fireplace, tons of cookbooks for the neighboring kitchen, a secret door to the pantry, and sliding panel to hide a TV when not in use, says Mandy O'Connor, principal of Melindra Calson O'Connor, architecture and interior designer. Two comfortable and whimsical chair pair with the simple stripe living room sofa to make a small footprint that is a warm and inviting but open to other places. The patio doors were created to let in light and mirror the original woodwork in the house. They allow the TV room to go from occupying the back corner of a grand house to becoming a more central more room from both inside and outside. It's perfect for a cup of tea, watching TV, or evening cocktail while meals are being prepared. Both informal for the family but elegant enough for guests. Style number 4, use accent pieces of furniture. The small TV room acts as a home entertainment hub, an area where you can switch off at the end of the day and chat casually with family, say Jan and Mar, co founder of Interior Fox, to create a refined look. What adds balance in the room? Introduce an accent pieces of furniture such as an occasional chair, coffee table, and a floor lamp. This setup will allow the room to feel more sociable and multifunctional should you wish to turn the TV off and use as a space to host guests. Style number 5, use curves to soften harsh corners. The curved corners furniture trend is back and it works beautifully in a family room or a bedroom TV space, says Eric Korean and Lena Kulbau, co-founder of Curated Nest Interior, with the emphasis today on the have home as a family space used for entertainment, arrangement, rows of sections, and clinical design can look a little shark in a small room full of wall photos of subtly rounded covers will lift the small layout and soften the overall look of your room, adding a bold design focus or a stable touch of sharpening to your decor. Play with style number 6, play with proportions and materials. At first glance, this small TV room appears to the spacious and large. However, this long living space is actually quite narrow. If there's one thing that's going to create a illusion of more space in a long living room, it's decluttering. It can actually make a room feel wider in seconds, says digital editor at Homes and Gardeners Jennifer Abbott. This living room layout features clever low level living room furniture that doesn't impede on our diminutive proportions of the room. Style number 7, zone a small open plan TV room with wallpaper. This small TV room gets a lot of sunlight, so I was able to work with some darker color and textures without the room feeling too dark, says Galina Holchek, designer of Galina Rainy Interior Design Studio. A mixture of warm tones with deep, rich color. I love that this room seats around 5 to 6 people without feeling cramped. The fact that it's right off the kitchen help it not to feel too claustrophobic or cut off. Style number 8, conceal while in a bespoke media cabinet. In this living room, the TV television is flat mounted on a wall, avoiding the mess of wires and cables surrounded with the cantilevered shelving which sits above custom cabinetry, says Clara Edward, head of design of Kit's Grove. The display shelving is decorated with books, artwork, and other decorative objects, while the cupboards beneath provide streamlined, con- connected journey. Style number 9, opt for a variety of flexible small seating. Adding poofs, stools, or benches will help to maximize your space in a small TV room, says Denali Chiproot, founder and creative principal of Denali Rouge Design. These pieces add extra seating for guests, but they don't make your room feel stuffy or overcrowded when they are not needed for extra living room sitting. These versatile pieces can be stored away under a console or used as a ottoman for launching. All right, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Let me know down comment below in the comments about this video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye, take care.